Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for nature lovers and gardening enthusiasts alike, the Bonsai Tree Growing Kit 2-pack, featuring a premium ceramic starter set. We found this amazing kit online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this Bonsai Tree Growing Kit? It's a comprehensive starter set that allows you to grow your very own bonsai trees right from the comfort of your home. This kit includes everything you need to nurture beautiful bonsais, making it a wonderful introduction to the art of bonsai gardening. One of the standout features of this kit is the selection of seeds. You get 4 varieties: the Dolonax regia, known as the flame tree, the Picea abies or spruce, the Pinus aristata, which is the bristlecone pine, and the jacaranda tree, also called the fern tree. These trees are not only visually stunning but also relatively easy to grow, with vibrant colors and fragrant foliage that can brighten up any indoor space. The kit comes fully equipped with durable pots, drip trays, wood plant markers, soil peats, bonsai fertilizer, and clear instructions. Additionally, you'll receive a digital guide packed with professional tips for care and maintenance, ensuring that even if you don't have a green thumb, you can still successfully grow your bonsais. It's great for beginners who might feel intimidated by the prospect of starting their own garden. This Bonsai Tree Growing Kit is ideal for various audiences. It's perfect for men and women who appreciate unique gifts, for novice gardeners looking to explore a new hobby, or even for experienced plant lovers wanting to add some beautiful greenery to their collection. It's also a thoughtful gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or just because who wouldn't love the opportunity to grow something beautiful? In terms of practical use cases, you can grow these bonsai trees indoors or outdoors, depending on your space and preference. The kit is designed for easy care, making it suitable for even the busiest lifestyles. Whether you place them on a windowsill, a coffee table, or your patio, these trees can enhance your environment, provide stress relief, and even serve as a conversation starter when guests come over. Overall, the Bonsai Tree Growing Kit 2-pack delivers an engaging and rewarding experience for anyone looking to connect with nature and enjoy some hands-on gardening. With its thoughtful packaging and comprehensive accessories, it truly caters to both beginners and seasoned gardeners. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.